Hello, welcome to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is Aloo Gobi, or in other words, Indian potato and cauliflower. A full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Firstly, let's heat some oil in a pan until it's nice and hot. Then add the hing, dried chilies, cumin seeds and fry until the cumin seeds crackle. After a minute or two, add the green chilies, garlic, ginger and continue to fry for another minute. Next we add the onions and sweat off in the hot oil for 2 or 3 minutes. When the onions have softened, it's time to add the ground coriander, fenugreek leaves, salt, turmeric and the chili powder. Of course, add as much chili powder as you want. That in my case would be half a teaspoon, but in my wife's case, just show him the chili powder and put the chili powder back in the cupboard. Also about now, you can add a splash of water so the spices don't burn. Then it's time to add the main ingredients, the cauliflower and potatoes. When the cauliflower and potatoes are mixed through, it's time to add 125 ml of water, place a lid on the pan, turn the heat to low and cook for 15 minutes. Check after 10 minutes and add a little tiny splash of water if the mixture is too dry. When the cauliflower and potatoes are cooked, it's time to add the garam masala and green mango powder. Mix through, cook for another 2 minutes and then serve. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.